2, 3. Hello, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin looking a little bit interesting on a pattern I'm going to show you on the 4-hourly. It is holding here, but it is looking a bit interesting based off something that's forming. If you look at the overall channel, this trend line, it's been channeling down, but it's also making a descending triangle, and I'm going to show you this. We're getting a bit of a bounce back since this morning. I'm going to actually probably add in a little bit here and start, not big, but James, even if he closed negative numbers, does it brilliantly. I'm still down about 250k from the top or something. Still up in the last month, but took a big hit on the count. 3.4 trillion, 936,000 Bitcoin price.live. What it taught me is to ladder down. Even though I got buys at 92, I had to slowly enter the trade, not go big into the trade at 100, and then even though I was laddering down to 92, it was still too high. James crypto bonus with Bybit 60k bonus, 72 greed, Bitcoin dominance 52, funding fee negative 94.6. We just spiked up to 94.8. We're going to jump into the technicals for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up, and turn the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going in, and I'm going to right away show you the pattern that I'm seeing. My account's still under 1. I'm not going to ladder in too big because we're still quite high on Bitcoin, and we don't know if this is going to be a support before it drops off. On the RSI, we're quite overbought, but this is what I found just now. Everyone see it? Descending triangle like this. Builds pressure, and breaks to the upside based off the trend to the base of the triangle. So if we measure out that base of this triangle, target of this Bitcoin pump would be 111,000. And look, it lines up with my third wave. I mean, I closed my trades today just around here in a big loss, actually, from where even though I was buying it on the dips, I still was, okay, I'm going to open a trade. Based off descending triangle, RSI heading up. Crypto Guru bot isn't looking beautiful, to be honest. It fired, the Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell. So on the longer term time frame, we could still be very toppy. But it could have a small pump based off this 4-hourly triangle. So I'm going to trade it. And I'm going to do a tight stop on this trade. I won't just ladder in to Bitcoin, so I'm going to open it here. My stop would be under the previous supports, these 3 supports. And maybe I actually add there if it comes down here, but let's see. And then take profit, target. So the risk to reward is 6.49, not the best risk to reward, but doable on the trade. And then I've got exposure to Bitcoin. Not bad. Then I can maybe add more or let it hit stop loss. So I'm going to open this 94 where we are right now. I'll put it a little bit because it's spiking. Let's go close. Let's see, set up the trade. Yeah, it looks like it's going to pump out of this kind of little rising triangle. You see? It's already trying to break out. So I'm going to enter the trade right now. And I'm going to slowly enter the trade. So I'll do 1 Bitcoin. I had 11 Bitcoin before when I closed it this morning. So I'm going to do 2 at the current price. Would be 2 Bitcoin would be $10,000 cost, which would be 1% of the account right now. 189k. Confirm. Then I'll have 2. Then I have some at 87, 90. So I've got more buys at 90. Let's see if this trade executes. No position yet. It's close to see where the green dot is. That's my trade going to execute. Or not, getting pushed down. I want to also check Ethereum. Let's see if the order executes. I want to check Ethereum as well. I didn't see this pattern before, to be honest. I only saw it when I looked on Bitcoin now. On Ethereum, it's not doing that. It's doing kind of this kind of triangle formation. But RSI is actually bottoming on the 4-hourly. I closed it around here, my trades, a little bit down even. Do you think I had closed the bottom? It's exactly the same spot. It just seems to be holding here. Hourly looks good. 4-hourly looks good. Daily, I want to catch it on a spike, so I could open a little trade. I've got a trade at 3,100 and a trade at 2,800. See, the RSI seems to be bottoming. Squeeze mob also turning great. I shouldn't have, actually closing Ethereum today was a bit stupid, because it's actually pumped since then and it is looking quite good on the daily. We are going into New Year's though. So again, ETFs closed, but this looks like a rising triangle. Okay, I'm going to do the same to Ethereum, enter but slowly. My trade on Bitcoin didn't activate yet. It's quite close. I'm going to do the same on Ethereum. Slowly just entering the trades. So I'll get 10. What does that mean? 1,700. Let's do at least 5. Let's do 50. 8,500. Okay, let's do 30 Ethereum. At this current price. Okay, so Ethereum and Bitcoin trades. Let's see if they activate. The Ethereum trades activated. The Bitcoin trade not yet activated, but I'll leave it. Or should I just enter it now? It's about $40 off. Let's see what it shows in the short-term time frame. So if this plays out on this pattern, target, but I have to ride the waves now on the 4-hourly because I think we're gonna just have a lot of chop now. So now is like good time for just smart trading. So this is the position I would take, probably stop loss underneath that previous low. So risk to reward is 6.6. Better if you put it down a little bit and you entered on some spike down. Would be smarter. But this is 5.7 risk reward. Not the greatest risk reward, but it's still then exposed a little bit. And I start laddering in, then see how it plays out. Here, it's going to either do two things here. Most likely, it's going to follow this pattern and break out and then target 4,000. But high chance, I would say almost 50-50 in this current market, how it's being manipulated, that we could get a breakdown. So I'm just going to slowly enter here. Ethereum trade is active. Bitcoin trade not yet active. It moved up, but it's around $40 off. I think it will come down and act. I want to check out some altcoins as well. Uni, this is my watch list. So this is what I'm always buying and selling and trying to get in entries. See, we're breaking down, but it's trying to get back in. This pattern as well usually heads up. So I was a bit confused why it was breaking down, to be honest. But the low on Uni is clearly 1120 is where we had one spike. So I can easily revisit this. So better to set a small order for Uni. Just the spot position. And then the same, I'm going to start just entering. Oh, actually, $11.20. And I'll buy some now. There, I'll do 20,000 at $11.20. $11.20, $20,000 worth. And then where we are right now, I'm going to do 5,000. And just slowly enter a little bit. So Uni, Bitcoin, the orders on Uni filled. And my Bitcoin position filled. So 2 Bitcoin, 30 Ethereum. Where I sold Uni, actually look at my last sell on Uni. Quite good actually. Wow. Called it, guys. I didn't notice that. Cool. My Bitcoin trade now active. My Bitcoin trade sell buy is almost at the same. It's even a little bit higher than where I sold it this morning at 94,200. Now we're at 94,700. So I missed out on that little pump. This sell buy on the Bitcoin one is same. And I think Ethereum even went up a little bit. But these are my new entries, but I'm going to they're a bit smaller than before, and I'm going to slowly ladder in. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do and learn all of this underneath the video, go down below, sign up to Bybit. It's the favorite exchange. Weex is also good for USA. They got a $200 bonus on sign up. Bitunix can be used apparently anywhere in the world, any country. JamesCryptoGuru.com for the courses and for the Telegram, and join us in the Telegram. There's usually there's 780 of you online right now, and it's highly moderated. So you're talking, people sharing Doge double bottom. We're already 95, almost touch. People discussing. I'm also seeing this. They're kind of showing similar patterns to what I was showing. Good job, guys. Join us in the Telegram. So I've slowly entered Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're getting a little bit of a pump, and I'm going to add more or trade it, 4-hourly trade on this potential breakout. It's a lot smaller position. I had a 11.7 Bitcoin position this morning, which was, I sold a little bit where we were before, and I had about 165 Ethereum. So now I've got 30 and 2, but I'm going to slowly enter here and just ride the 4-hourly trades. Love you all. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Learn from my lessons, watch my mistakes, try to learn from my mistakes. What can you learn? What can you do from it? I love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.